guys, welcome to another video guys. So today we're at the subway. As you can see, we're at subway in Thailand. So this is my first time being at subway as a teenager. When I was young, I used to go to subway but I was too young to remember, so I will go to the subway underneath. The subway is actually like we ride a train underneath the road. So yeah, let's go guys. This is gonna be my first time being at the subway as a teenager. So let's go guys. National Convention Center, and we're gonna go down and we're gonna buy our tickets and we're gonna go ride a train and then we're gonna see the and then we're gonna stop at the nearby mall. So let's go guys. We're gonna take this tour guys, even though there's the escalator behind me. No, I'm gonna only take the stair because I'm gonna exercise with mommy. So let's go guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
The entrance and the exit for the subway. As you can see, if there's an X mark, that means that you cannot enter, so you need to go to the other way where there's a check mark. But first we're gonna buy a card over there to there. So let's go buy a ticket guys. So guys, we're already at here at Queen Sirikit National Convention Center, and then we're gonna stop by Sukhumvit. So it's actually a mall, so we're gonna stop by because it's the nearest mall here. We're planning to stop by here, but it's very too far, so yeah. And it's nearby Asad, so yeah. Let's go get the ticket now guys. So guys, I'm gonna press English because I cannot understand all of this, so let's press English guys. Okay, so where are we gonna go? Here? Help. Help mommy please.
A few moments later.
English here guys, so let's go press English because I cannot understand all of these letters, so let's go press English. I cannot press English. Okay, so we're gonna press this country.
That's not country, Shamsi, that's a station. Okay, press. You have to press it hard. And the fare is 17 baht. So, okay.
Okay, so where do I
Put the money.
Okay.
That's 50 baht, so you have a change.
Oh, it doesn't let me enter. Is it?
Okay. Wait. Okay, you can get your token now. And you still have a change. Let me see the token, something. How it looks like. You wait, there's a lot of time.
I'm getting money. So this is my change guys, and this is all my money now.
No, I still have to buy for my ticket. Give me. I need to buy for my ticket, Shamsi.
I'll show them the ticket token first.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm gonna buy myself some tickets, so let's go buy a ticket guys. Okay, wait. Do I have money? Okay, so wait. So we got my ticket, not a ticket, token right now. So we're gonna get my change now guys. So we got our token guys. As you can see, so let's go and ride the train now guys. Let's go guys. You can also buy tokens from here. So this is a token counter. If you have any problem using the machine, you can just go here and buy a token from here. So yeah. So let's go guys.
Here. No. Here. Tap here. Okay, get inside.
We're here now. We're now gonna wait for the train, guys. So yeah, let's wait for the train now, guys. already here, guys, so let's go before we return the guys. So let's go now.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
Guys, we're already at the train. There's a lot of people, so we're just standing. And as you can see, I'm holding this thing so that way it won't fall while standing. So yeah, guys.
You asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
We're here, guys. Okay. Let's go, guys. We're already here, guys. So we're here now. So we're gonna go and we're already here, and we're gonna go use the exit door using my same token. So we're gonna end the vlog, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this small vlog. So thank you very much for watching our small vlog. So we're gonna end the vlog, guys. Bye, guys. Please like and subscribe, guys. Bye, guys. So guys, we're already here, guys. So we're gonna go upstairs and go to the exit door. And this is just only one station, so the train got here fast, in less than 5 minutes. So yeah, so let's go, guys.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.